I was wondering if maybe you'd like to go to the beach and maybe get a coffee after or something, if that's alright.
Hello, I'm gonna be filming a New York City haul of things I bought in New York. Yeah, I didn't buy that much, but I think it's still enough for a haul. Let's just get into it because I hate it when like people talk too much in the intros. So yeah, let's start off with clothing because that's the most interesting. I have all my bags on the floor.
Let's start off with Reformation.
And this is like one of my favorite purchases from New York. They always give you a little tote bag, which I appreciate because they'd be really expensive. So I appreciate the little extra tote bag. So the first thing is this little strappy top. Looks like this. I love the print. It's like a cute little blue floral pattern. It's really tight, but it has this like little stretchy thing on the back, so it stretches, obviously. I just decided to go with the 0, and the girl said that linen usually stretches out over time, so I got this and I really like it. It fits really well and it's like adjustable on the straps. I love, you know, the extra little color, not too basic because I usually only wear white, but yeah. The next thing is also from Reformation. I really wanted a white dress because I always wear white, but I decided to branch out and get this green. Low-key reminds me of like a vomit green kind of color, but you know, it's okay. This also has this kind of blue floral. It's kind of wrinkled right now because it was just in my bag, but it's kind of a A-line, I would say. It's tight around the waist. Is that what an A-line is? I don't know. It's kind of loose around the top area, like especially around the shoulders. So yeah, I was contemplating on exchanging it, but I didn't have time. But I think it's fine, to be honest. It's pretty cute and something I don't have in my closet, so I'm happy about that. And the straps, the cool thing about this, it's like so cool, is that you can wear it up or kind of off the shoulder if you want to. I honestly think it's meant to be worn like on the shoulder, but I can wear it off the shoulder because it's too big on me. But maybe that's a plus, you know? Dude, why am I annoyed? On to the next thing, which was Isabel marant. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. I'm sure there's like a more fancy way to say it, or like the correct way. Isabel, I'm not gonna try, but that's where I went. I love that they also give this bag, and I like this little, it looks like it's sturdy, but it's part of the design aesthetic. I put this back in the packaging. That's how committed I was. So enjoy the ASMR. Yay. Okay, this is the next thing that I bought. It's just a basic t-shirt, and yeah, they had a whole bunch of stuff obviously, but I just resorted to getting this. It's just like a cute basic to have, and you can never really go wrong with basic graphic tees. Plus, I don't have a light pink color.
And I was thinking about this earlier and I was like, oh, I don't really have that much light pink in my closet. Like, I'm glad I bought this. But then I realized the reason why I don't have any light pink in my closet is because I don't look good in them.
But like, there's like a little bit of red and stuff in this, so hopefully it's fine. It has this like neon sign sort of design on the front. It's cute with some like blue jeans. I guess I'll go on to what I got from MoMA. This is like so touristy of me, but I feel like it's still worth sharing. It is just this hat. How cute is this hat? It's just the New York Yankees cap, but on the side it says MoMA. I like that little detail, and yeah, it's just adjustable, and they had a whole bunch of colors, but I just resorted to getting this type of cobalt blue color. And yeah, it's just, and then also from MoMA, this is kind of not clothing, but I thought I would also add it in because it's in the realm of what I got in MoMA. So I got this little accessory. It's like a little keychain ring thingy majig, and I just put it on my AirPod. And also I got these little pins because I thought they were like not even $1, so I was like, okay, I'll just get it says moma, and I'm gonna just put these on my tote bags or something, or maybe just like give it to my friends. I don't know, I just thought it was a cute little like souvenir, I guess. Also, not from Moma but from the Whitney, I got something from them, and it was just a shirt. I honestly just got this because I needed a shirt, like a PJ shirt, and I had no clothes to wear, so I was like, whatever, I'll get this. It's from this artist. Honestly, I'm uncultured and I don't know who this is, but I'm sure he's super famous to be in the Whitney and have his own shirt, so you know, I'll be repping this dude. It's really light and kind of thin, but I kind of like that. Has a little cute graphic. The next place is not for me technically, it's actually a gift for my brother. It is from this brand. It's also a brand I can't really pronounce. I'm pretty sure it's like aime or I don't know. I'm not French. Anyway, yeah, I went here and I wanted to buy something for myself, to be honest, because I'm pretty sure the only store that they have is in Soho, where I bought this, but they didn't have any like shirts that I really wanted. I decided to get this hat for my brother because it's his birthday soon, and it's just this basic brand logo hat. I'm not sure if you can tell that it's like a suede. It's cute, I guess. It's just a basic hat, and there are other designs as well, but I thought this was just a good basic to have, so hopefully he likes this.
Yeah, I kind of want to order something from them because I checked their site and they actually had some shirts that I wanted that weren't in their store, so maybe I'll order from them.
And then lastly, this is probably the most boring thing, or maybe the most fun thing, I don't know, is a book. I usually I'm not like a avid reader or anything, but my friends and I decided to get a book together and start reading it, and I'm really into like non-fiction sort of self-help books in a way, so we decided to get this book. Apparently it's really famous. It's called Trick Mirror. I love the cover, it's kind of aesthetic. Yeah, I started reading a few pages of it and it's pretty good, but I kind of have to really commit and read consistently, and I think that's when I'll start to really get into it. But yeah, for now it's pretty okay. I'm excited to read this and get into reading in general. Anyway, so that is everything that I bought. Like I said, it's not that much and I kind of wish I bought more, but maybe I'll be ordering some new stuff online, so if I do, maybe I'll post another haul. So yeah, till then, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.